Hello. Today I would like to talk about Dr. Stephen Hawking, one of the most brilliant theoretical physicists of our time. His groundbreaking work on black holes, the nature of time, and the origins of the universe has forever changed our understanding of the cosmos. Let's know it. Stephen Hawking was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author, widely regarded as one of the most brilliant minds in the field of science. He was born on January 8, 1942, in Oxford, England, exactly 300 years after the death of Galileo Galilei. Hawking's early life was marked by a deep love for mathematics and science. His family moved to London when he was 8 years old, and he attended St. Albans School. He was known for his curiosity and intellectual abilities, although his school years were often described as unremarkable in terms of academic achievements. In 1959, he was accepted to the University of Oxford to study physics. Hawking was an outstanding student, earning a first-class degree in natural science in 1962. He then pursued graduate studies at Cambridge University, where he began to study cosmology and the nature of the universe. At the age of 21, Hawking was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, a rare neurodegenerative disease that causes the progressive loss of muscle control. Doctors gave him just 2 years to live, but he defied the odds and continued his work. Despite his diagnosis, Hawking continued his studies at Cambridge, focusing on the fundamental theories of the universe. His illness progressively limited his physical abilities, but his mind remained sharp. In 1965, he published his first major paper on black holes, establishing himself as a rising star in theoretical physics. He showed that black holes could emit radiation, a discovery that would later be known as Hawking radiation. In 1971, Hawking made another groundbreaking contribution to the theory of black holes by proposing that they could shrink and eventually evaporate. This contradicted earlier theories and opened up new avenues of research in cosmology. Hawking's most famous work, A Brief History of Time, was published in 1988. The book became a global bestseller, introducing complex scientific concepts about the nature of the universe, black holes, and time to a broad audience. In the book, Hawking discussed his theories on the Big Bang, the nature of time, and the possibility of a unified theory that could explain all of the forces of nature. He became a global icon and was celebrated for making science accessible to the general public. Throughout his career, Hawking continued to explore the mysteries of the universe. He made important contributions to the understanding of black holes, quantum mechanics, and the nature of space-time. In 1974, Hawking was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society, one of the highest honors a scientist can receive. This recognition confirmed his status as one of the leading scientists of his generation. Despite his deteriorating physical condition, Hawking continued to lecture, write, and conduct research. In 1985, he lost his ability to speak due to a tracheotomy, but he began using a computer system to communicate. The computer system allowed him to speak by selecting words on a screen, which were then converted into speech. This technology helped him continue his work and communication despite his physical limitations. In addition to his scientific work, Hawking became an advocate for science and space exploration. He argued that the search for extraterrestrial life was important and that humans should eventually colonize other planets to ensure the survival of humanity. Hawking's research also focused on the concept of time and the origins of the universe. He proposed the idea of the no-boundary condition, suggesting that the universe had no beginning or end, but was a self-contained entity. Hawking also explored the idea of parallel universes, which challenged traditional views of reality. He suggested that there could be multiple universes with different laws of physics, offering a new perspective on the nature of existence. In addition to his academic work, Hawking became a well-known public figure. He appeared in several TV shows, including The Simpsons and Star Trek, and his witty sense of humor made him beloved by the public. Hawking received numerous accolades throughout his career, including the Copley Medal in 2006, the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2013, and the Templeton Prize in 2014. He was also a professor at the University of Cambridge for many years. He was married twice, first to Jane Wilde in 1965, with whom he had 3 children, and later to Elaine Mason in 1995. Both marriages were central to his personal and professional life. Despite his illness, Hawking continued to be a beacon of inspiration for millions of people around the world. He demonstrated that even with immense physical limitations, the human spirit and intellect could achieve great things. Hawking passed away on March 14, 2018, at the age of 76. His death marked the end of an era in the world of theoretical physics, but his legacy continues to live on. Stephen Hawking's life and work have had an immense impact on the fields of physics, cosmology, and science communication. He made profound contributions to our understanding of the universe and the laws that govern it. His theory of Hawking radiation has shaped much of the modern understanding of black holes, and his ideas on the Big Bang and the nature of time have influenced many fields of scientific inquiry. A prolific author, Hawking's works continue to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers. A Brief History of Time remains one of the best-selling science books of all time. Hawking's ability to push the boundaries of human understanding, despite his physical challenges, has made him an icon of perseverance and intellectual achievement. He has left an indelible mark on both the scientific community and the world. His legacy as one of the most brilliant minds in history continues to inspire scientists, students, and dreamers around the globe. Stephen Hawking will forever be remembered as a pioneer who unlocked some of the greatest mysteries of the universe.